Stage dive, man, I got a lot of shit that's on my mind. Trying to find the perfect way.
Hey, YouTube. Back again with some more gun content. I just wanted to make a video about these headphones that I bought from Amazon. They're called the Walker Razors. I have not tested them yet. Amazon bought it for 77 bucks. You can probably find it cheaper. But yeah, it comes with a carrying case that I will put in my gun bag for the range. I have not tested them yet. I just wanted to unbox them, and then I'm gonna test them obviously at the range when I go. But yeah, let's just unbox them and see how they fit and feel, and I'll let you know how they perform later on in the video. You know, super easy to unbox, but oh shoot, they come with two AA batteries. AAA batteries, huh? You know, the beautiful user manual that everybody reads. That goes in the trash. Alright, so a close-up of these headphones. That's how they're looking right now. Oh, almost dropped them. They're really nice. I like them. The pads seem like, let's just give them a try. Wow, can't hear a thing. These also have Bluetooth. That's why I bought them, so you can listen to whatever music you want to listen to. You know, when you're at the range. Does this come off, or am I tweaking? No, that's definitely a button I was about to rip off. So they come with the on and off switch here. A button. Not sure what that's for. Maybe I should read the manual. All right, so a close-up of these headphones. That's how they're looking right now. Oh, almost dropped them. They're really nice. I like them. The pads seem like, let's just give them a try. Wow, can't hear a thing. These also have Bluetooth. That's why I bought them, so you can listen to whatever music you want to listen to. You know, when you're at the range. Does this come off, or am I tweaking? No, that's definitely a button I was about to rip off. So they come with the on and off switch here. A button. Not sure what that's for. Maybe I should read the manual. It doesn't have left or right. I'm guessing these are ambidextrous because they don't say left or right. Not sure if they matter, but no, that definitely does not feel right. That feels better. Look at how it looks on my head. So the batteries go on the left side. You just pull this little tab off here. It'll connect to my phone right now and tell you how the music quality is, and probably isn't going to be that good because considering you know, their main purpose is to help prevent hearing damage. Oh wow, why can I hear myself? I can hear myself. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I showed you this clear button here. That's for Bluetooth. Definitely the Bluetooth quality is, I mean, the headphone quality is super terrible. You know, it doesn't sound that good, but you know, usually headphones don't come with this, so I'll take it. Vehicles. This is for volume knob. This is the volume knob for the Bluetooth connection. This is the volume for noise cancellation, and this is the Bluetooth. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys some things. There's a little pouch in here. Wow, that's cheap. Yeah, that just came a little loose. We'll glue that down later. But there's a little pouch in here. Maybe you won't even use it since we kind of just destroyed them. This is how they look. You just slide them down. Very compact. Okay, I'm back. My camera died. But yeah, this is how they look in the carrying case. They look pretty nice and snug. Also, I wanted to mention one more thing. to finish off the video, the headphones were really good. They're still good. I'm still, you know, I still use them from time to time. Damn, my teacher's loud as hell. Jeez, man, shh. Okay, the headphones are good. I did still need double protection when someone was shooting a Draco, but it did the job. But I did, you know, had to double up just because it was very loud. But it did the job. I didn't play any music at the range, but the sound quality isn't the best, but it's there if you want to use it. The link would be down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you want to call a pair, yeah, the link's in the description. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And have a great rest of your day. And God bless America, I guess. Yeah. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
In the range? Pew! Pew pew! No one has music in their headphones. Come on, man.